What'd you do? Well, tell me what you did. Well, tell me. What did you do? You were kissing girls? You were kissing girls? Where did Papa take you?
Is that medicine also for his neck too? Because I put it on his neck too.
Where was
he just scratching his neck, and I said maybe you don't feel good or something. Maybe.
Where were you? What were you doing? Did you go on a safari ride? Did you watch music videos? Did Papa take you to go see girls? No way.
I showed him big booty video though.
Mason, you can't watch that stuff. Do you want me to put you on timeout? Yes? Do you want me to give you pow pow? No. Want to watch your movie?